Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. For my usual subscribers, you know that I am all about one thing. It's passing on knowledge for people who are looking for knowledge. Long story short, I posted a video the other day about drills and impact drivers in a series that I've entitled Lessons from a Dad. It's a series that's meant to pass on knowledge and mentor young men who are looking for that type of knowledge. There was a comment from another individual who was very supportive. I forget their name, something Homestead right now. But the comment was about how much more knowledge there still is out there about different types of bits and things you can do with drills and impact drivers. So it got me to thinking about the video itself. In that video, I passed along the idiom that you drill with a drill, but you can only drive with an impact driver. You can drive screws with a drill, you can drill with a drill, but you only drive with an impact driver. So that got me to thinking, is that entirely accurate? I don't know. I've never actually tried it. I've just accepted it as fact. So in today's video, we're going to see if you can drill holes with an impact driver. Let's see what we find out. All right, so let's do a little review. This is a drill. You can drill holes with it. You can also drive screws with it. This is an impact driver. You can only drive screws with it, or so we're told. Let's set this one aside because we know it's capable of doing both. What keeps this in everyone's mind from being able to do both? Okay? I often thought it was the internal workings. The internal workings of this, and I'll have a GIF up here, and it's from a YouTube video, and I'll link it up here as well. The individual in this video, the author, he cut away the mechanism, the housing. He cut away the housing so you could see the mechanism. And take a look at it. It's basically just what everybody knows it to be. It's spring-loaded. It's a heavy plate that has a slip gear on it. And what happens is that will slip, and then it will come back and impact the surface so that you get an impact this way, okay, from the mechanism internally. I don't think that that's going to keep it from drilling. I think what's going to keep it from drilling most is the attachment. So this is called a collet, okay? If you look, you can see that the collet is uniquely shaped. It is meant for holding one thing. It is not adjustable. It is not capable of holding different size bits. So as you see, I can't put normal drill bits in here because of this collet mechanism. However, what if I have a drill bit that can go in there? So take a look at this. This is from Milwaukee. Milwaukee has made drill bits that fit into impact drivers. This is a little kit that Milwaukee's put together. Let's use these drill bits. I'd always seen these in this little kit that I have, but I never, in my mind, I was so ingrained in the mentality that I can't drill with an impact driver that I never even tried. How sad is that? I'm all about trying stuff, and I didn't even try. So let's try it. Let's see what we can do. All right, so this is test number 1. I'm just going to use the drill bit that you saw there from Milwaukee, and let's see what we can do. Granted, this is a pine 2x4, so, whoops, going backwards. Well, there you go, I drilled a hole. I drilled another hole, look at that. Is it pretty? No. I'm kind of messing up the wood, but if you need a hole, look at that. That'll drill you a hole. Let's see what else we can do. So this is what else I found. I originally thought that my spade bit was going to be able to fit, because if you look, it almost, let me get a focus there. It almost looks like you should be able to use it. However, it does not fit. You see, it does not fit the collet. It just slides right out. What you need is this end, okay? So I looked around all the other bits that I've got. I do have some spade bits with the right connector. So they fit in my impact driver. What do you know? So the other bit that I had, we didn't talk about this the other day, but that is a Mason bit. It has the right end. So I can drill through brick or some stone maybe with that masonry bit. So I'm not going to try the masonry bit because I just have wood here right now, but let's try the spade bit, see what we get. All right, so here we are back at my trusty handy dandy scrap 2x4. I have the spade bit in my impact driver. Let's see what we can do. Is it pretty? No. Is it quiet? No. Can you drill a hole with an impact driver? Absolutely. So, when in doubt, give it a try. Let's see it again. I just want to try one more time. See if it was a fluke. There you go, 2 for 2. Again, would I recommend it? Probably not, but if you're in a pinch and you have the right connector, give it a shot. Why not? All right, there you have it. The question has been answered. With the right drill bit, with the right connector, you can drill holes with an impact driver. Should it be your first choice? Probably not. If you're in a pinch and you have the right bit, can you do it? Yeah. I think that's the purpose of this channel. Stuff like this excites me. It should excite you too. Go try something new today. All right? Leave a comment down below what you might like for me to try next. Is there something that somebody has told you you can't do that? Leave a comment down below. We'll see if we can try to answer that question as to why you can't do it. It's all about the why. Okay? Until next time, folks, we'll see ya.